Hello guys, so today I'm going to teach you how you can create an Aviator bot for Telegram, and this is a simple way. I'm going to show you how you can do it using the slightest time possible. So what you are going to do is you are going to go to your browser, then you're going to search GitHub Falca Aviator, this first option here. Then you're going to click on the first link that you find. Then you're going to scroll down up to where you are being told using the bot. This is where you need to click. Then you click on this link here. Then you just simply need to select start bot. And that is simply how it's done. If you found this content useful, consider following.